Hello friends, how are you all? I am Priya Lagwal and I am welcoming you all in my YouTube channel. So friends, today in this video, we are going to learn SolidWorks part modeling. So friends, this is the part which we are going to create today. So let's start. And friends, this is the drawing for this part and I have given you link of this drawing in my description box also, from where you can download this drawing and a lot of other drawings like this also. So friends, let's start. For this friends, let's create a new file. So friends, create a new file here and click new. And friends, here we will select part because here we are doing part modeling. So friends, first of all, we will start creating this L shape. And here length is 90 and here width is 78 and thickness of this is 13 mm. So friends, for this, click on front plane and sketch. Now friends, click on line for selecting line. Go in the sketch menu and left click on this line icon. So friends, start creating from here. Take this to origin and now here we will create a horizontal line and like this. And now friends, close the sketch. Friends, here give lesson horizontal. See friends, now each line has become either horizontal or vertical. So friends, now we will start giving dimensions. For giving dimensions, click on dimensions. Click on smart dimension from here or simply from here also you can click smart dimension. Select smart dimension. So friends see. So friends this length is 90 mm and this length is 78 and this is 13 mm. And friends here give a relation between this line and this line. Both these lines are equal. So for this select this line, press Ctrl key and select this line. Now left the Ctrl key and give relation equal. See friends, now our sketch has become black. It has become fully black now. It means that our sketch is fully defined. Whenever you sketch anything in SolidWorks or any other software, try to make that sketch fully defined. Friends, now we will extrude it. So here from features, click on extrude boss base. And here friends, select mid plane. When we select mid plane, our extrude will go half this side and half in the another side of the sketch. And friends here extrude length is 126. See friends. Now friends, we will create this geometry, this circle. So for friends, for this, click on this plane. Here from here, click on sketch. And now we will start creating this circle. So friends see, we will create a circle right above this origin. Let's give dimensions now. So select smart dimensions. So friends, here distance of this point from this line is given as 38 and diameter of this circle is 50. See friends, and relation between this point, origin and the center of the circle is vertical, means this circle is in the line of this origin. See friends, now our sketch has turned black, means it is fully defined. Now we will extrude it. So again go on the extrude boss base and here friends length is given as 38. Click right. And friends now we will create this rib. So for this click on rib and click on front plane. And friends, from here, click on line. Select line and click on this point and this point. Right click, select. And friends, now click on this icon. And friends, here thickness of the rib is given as 15 mm. Now click right. So friends, see, our rib has been created. Now friends, we will create this geometry. For this, again click on this plane and click on sketch. Now friends, first of all, for reference purpose, convert this whole circle. And now click on create a center line. And friends, as this circle is for only reference purpose, click on this circle and convert it into construction geometry. And now start creating a rectangle. This line, both these lines are coincident. So click on this line and this line. Give listen, coincidence is not here means collinear, both are same. And similarly, this line and this point, both are coincidence. And friend, distance between this line and this line is given as 38. Friends, here 10, 10. And radius of this half circle is given as 9. Means 9 and this diameter will be 18. And when we add 18 plus 10 and plus 10, it will become 38. So thickness is 38. So we have given 38 here. Extrude it. Simply click on extrude workspace and here thickness is 25. So click on this circle. Click on this rectangle. And click right from here. See friends. Now friends, we will create cut features. So see, let's see. So friends, see, here we want to create these 4 circles and these 2 cutouts. So let's create these 2 cutouts first. So for this, click on this plane and start creating sketch. So friends, first of all, just like always, create a center line for reference purpose. And convert this and click on this and convert it into construction geometry. And now click on this line and click vertical. We want a vertical center line. Now click on circle. Here we want to create a cavity of 32 diameter. So diameter of this circle is 32. And now let's create a circle here. See friends, here. And this point is lying on this line. And radius of this circle is given as 9, means diameter is 18. See friends, now our sketch has become fully defined because it has turned black now. So now click on features and from here click on extruded cut. And now select through or both. See friends, now our cavity has been created. Now friends, we want to create these 4 circles. For this, simply click on this plane and start creating sketch. Now friends, create a circle here. And friends, diameter of this circle is given as 18. And distance of this circle from this side is given as 19. From this side, distance is given as 25. And friends, we want to create the same circle here also. So for this, we are not going to create this again. We will simply mirror it. So for this, click on mirror entities. From here, select circle. And now mirror about. In mirror about section, give this line. We want to mirror this circle about this center line. See friends, both the circles have been created. Now simply click on extrude cut and from here select through all. See friends, now our holes has been created. Here also we want to create holes. For this simply click on sketch. Create a hole here. Give dimension 18 mm. So 5 18 mm. And distance of this center from this line is given as 19 and from this line, this side, it is 25. And friends, we want to mirror it. So for this, we will have to create a center line because we can mirror something with respect to something. So friends, entities to mirror. In entities to mirror, select this circle and mirror about this center line. See friends, both the circles have been created. Now simply click on features and click on extruded cut. Blind, you can choose either 25 or through all. See friends. Now friends, see our 4 holes have been created. Now let's see what is left. So friends, these 2 fillets have left and radius of these fillets is given as 25. So let's create these fillets also. So for this, click on this fillet and radius given is 25. So from here, radius is given as 25 and now click on this line and this line. See friends. Now friends, fillets have been created. Now let's give some material to it. For this, click on this icon and from here you can select any material of your choice. So let's select iron here from here. So let's select this type of iron. Let's see. So friends, see. Our model has been created. So friends, I really hope you like this tutorial. If you like this tutorial, please like it and share this video to your friends so that they can also learn it very well. And if you want to keep watching such kinds of tutorial, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also you can follow me on my Instagram handle.